Introducing the Genius Tools 4-piece SAE extra long box end wrench set. A lengthened wrench set designed to turn hard to reach fasteners with high torque and low effort. Made from Chrome Vanadium Steel with a polished finish and an anti-corrosion coating, this set is guaranteed to last in a high-use, professional environment. Featuring an easy-to-use 12-point box end on both sides, this design offers flexibility and versatility for turning fasteners in a variety of situations. The set comes with 4 wrenches of different lengths, from 9.25 inches up to 16 inches. Each wrench has 2 different sized box ends, with sizes ranging from 5/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the wrench, and the included basket hanger makes for convenient organization and storage. Designed to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools stands behind our quality with a limited lifetime warranty, designed to protect you from any manufacturer defects. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.